Blizzard, these niggas pussy, man. These niggas pussy, man. What's that with you? What's that with you? Small world too, nigga. Small world too. Fuck, nigga. Some pussy niggas talking. It can't be about much. Next nigga I touch. Left me fucking by the bus from the doo-wop like wheels. I'm making by the door shock, and I don't understand why these pussy niggas hating on Blizzard. On my way to the top, 212. Remember I was hurting, I was leaving, I was dreaming. 2013, say yo bad bitch up with semen. Nigga, look what I did. Split your wig, kidnap your kids. Man, it's all about the paper. Fuck nigga, fuck doing a bid. For real, free Lil Run, free Lil Feast, free Lil Johnson, and Lil Blizzard. Bitch ass nigga, you can catch me here in that cut smoking up bleaching, and I'm by myself. Section thugs off, VIPs, and then I'm just dark. All that time, all that beefing got me thinking about if I would've left this city clear where it was, it wouldn't have been no features, no leaks. 223s, Leo mom preaching. I know this pussy ass niggas can't even with Blizzard. I know this. Pussy ass niggas, what's up? Pussy ass niggas. Pussy ass niggas. Y'all some 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 pussy ass niggas. They Freud, and some beggars. Y'all some hoes. Y'all some bitches. Y'all scared. Y'all some maggots. I got them 223 fucking clips of them like some maggots. If you ever play some games, you gon' get found by the maggots. I'm a dog that's in my blood, and that's my status. I'm Lil Blizzard. Cause you pussy nigga was acting. I'm that boy. I'm that dude. Play with me, you gon' get blues by the end of my barrel. From this brand new room or two, I go dump, I get sick, I got pounds, I need bricks. All them hoes be on my dick, put them on my shit list. Old faggot ass nigga, old wretched ass bitch. You ain't talking about no money with Blizzard, you ain't talking shit. Pussy ass nigga, pussy ass nigga, some pussy ass nigga with some pussy ass bitch. Oh, pussy ass nigga. They some pussy ass niggas. They some pussy ass niggas.